tomatoes and sweet peas and green beans. It's a dream come true.
I wanna take a stupid neck and wring it.
That's what I wanna do too. But him!
The only thing greener than these plants is my thumb.
How did we ever get stuck with these bums? The restaurants now are crappy.
I think I found my happy place. I'm like a British lady in my garden, and my plants agree.
He's the most annoying person that was ever born.
Oh God, she brought her own tea.
I'm the world's greatest farmer, things are growing so well.
We're living in our own personal hell. The restaurants now are crappy.
I think I found my happy.
The restaurants now are crappy, 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 crappy.
Happy, happy, happy place.